Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change email address on Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Well, after that, here you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then you can select your account here. Okay, and then you can tap login and security option. Okay, after that, click edit here. And then you can enter your new email address. Okay, after that you can enter the verification code which will be sent to your new email address. Okay, and then click continue. Okay, last you can enter your password account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change email address on Amazon account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.